What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a very simple method on how to make money with a small YouTube channel, or even if you have zero subscribers. I'm going to be sharing with you one simple hack that can really give you tons and tons of subscribers and viewers as well, and you can really make $300 or even more every single day. Okay, but before we jump into the video, if you want to make $100 a day with affiliate marketing, then check out the video training in the description, and this training is 100% free guys. You can easily make $100 after this training guys. And if you are in the niche of making money online, then be sure to hit the subscribe button for daily videos on this channel. So now let's jump into the video and how you can make $300 per day or even more money every single day. So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to leverage the power of the YouTube, because YouTube is really a big platform and there is billions and billions of users every single month. So look at this. Let's say we are going to say in the niche of the dog training. Okay, when I have searched for the dog training, look at this. This is the very new video and just about 7 months ago, and this video has gotten over 3.5 million views. And when we are going to go hit to his channel, okay, literally there are only 2 videos. The reason being is either this video is totally going to be in the niche of the trend, it is complete, maybe it's complete trend, or maybe this guy is running lots and lots of ads or something like that. But still, getting 3.5 million views in 6 months is really a big task guys. There might be a trend, that is what you need to find out. Okay, and when we are going to look at the another video, look at this. Zach George's dog training revolution. This guy is having 1.4 million subscribers. So the first thing you need to do to start making money with a YouTube, first of all you need to find a niche. For example, dog training can really be a very good niche. And look at this, 1.4 million subscribers on a single channel. That means there is a tons and tons of audience. And look at this, 3.5 million views, 3.2 million views, 1 million views. That means really there is a big audience and there is a lots and lots of subscribe there, because this niche is really very less competitive. Look at this, just 1 month ago and this video has gotten over and over. What the heck is this? Look at this, it's just 1 month ago, and with just 24,000 subscribers it has gotten over 3.6 million views, just because this topic is in trend, extreme trained and disciplined German. So guys, look at this. What we need to do, we need to leverage the power of the trends. So for that we are going to leverage the, let's say look at this, this guy must be promoting something, and this is a video of the guy. This video is the same video guys. Okay, so let's say this guy has gotten over 3.2 million views, and he's over here you can see. If you want any help from this guy, there is $2 a month Patreon. Okay, so look at this guys, it's very easy. Out of 3.2 million guys, out of 3 million guys, if at least $100,000 guys are ready to pay him $2, because guys, literally $2 is a very least amount, very. Okay, so if only 100,000 guys are gonna to pay him $2, look at this guy is making over and over $200,000 just with a single video guys, just with this single video. So look at this, the potential. And even if he is also promoting a training, plus he might be getting tons and tons of customers for that training as well. So look at this guys, really it is very competitive niche, but still he is doing very great. Okay, so I'm sorry, it's not that much competitive niche. Look at this, for dog training, such a two-word keyword, look at this, just 4.41 competition. It's very easy to rank for these videos guys, because literally all of them are having 9,000 subscribers, 13,000 subscribers, 17,000 subscribers. All of them are having literally tons and tons of views with very less subscribers. So the first step is selecting a niche. So whatever the niche is, you should be capable of like you should be able to explain about all that in the video. Okay, let's say you should be passionate about the niche, because you need to provide the daily content on the YouTube channel. Daily in the sense, not on the daily basis, but it should be according to your schedule. For example, let's say if you want to upload 1 video in a week, so you can also do that thing as well. So this is the same thing. The first step is finding a really great niche. Okay, so look at this niche can be really good niche. Weight loss or even making money online is also a really great niche. Look at this guy has just 60 videos and over 170,000 subscribers. So the potential is really huge. And after that, what you need to do, you need to provide the daily content on the channel. Okay, you need to provide the daily content, but the question over is, how are you going to grow on the channel? What you can do, just go on the Google Trends, and thereafter just put in your keyword name, and thereafter you are going to see whether your topic is in trend or not. If your topic is in trend, then go ahead, because your channel will start flying very fast. Look at this guy is very much consistent. Okay, he is making a ton of money, at least $300,000 with this YouTube channel, and it is very least amount, guys. Okay, so what is the big hack to grow your YouTube channel? So first of all, just search for your niche. Let's say we are going to do the dog niche, and thereafter what you need to do, you need to find some of the videos. Look at this, just 7 months ago. I will suggest you to do not go more than 7 or 8 6 months. Only try to make the videos which are not outside the range of the 6 months. Okay, that should be available within the 6 months, because those topics are really in trend. Might be if you are going to find a video a year ago, okay, so they may not be in trend right now, but the 6 months is really seems to be very easy to rank for, and or really it's the trend on that time as well. So if you are going to search for kind of look at this, what we can do, kind of animal training, or over here which one video, yeah, extreme trained and disciplined German. So what we can do, we can do like animal training. Okay, might be this topic is in complete trend. Okay, that may be the reason that the videos are really growing very much fast. So what you need to do, after you have selected the niche, you need to search for your keyword and look at all of the successful YouTube videos, and then just simply go to watch the video and try to make the same video. Means kind of the topic should be same, but your remedies can be different, and you need to try to rank for that. But we are not going to rank in the search related section, we are going to rank in the suggested related section. Basically, suggested related section is the section which comes this side. Okay, let it just load. I don't know why it's taking too long, but literally when you are going to do something like just copy their tags, just try to make a video better than this, copy their title, or even make them better, try to make the thumbnail like that, or try to make it even better. Okay, you need to copy their tag and upload a better video than this. What the YouTube will see that all of the tags of this video are really going to be same. Okay, so I should promote the video beneath over here, okay, in the suggested related section. So when the video will be come over here, all of these guys are really highly targeted, so they are going to come over your video and they will really watch highly. The subscribers, the viewers will be highly targeted, so you'll get tons and tons of watch time, and after you will get tons and tons of watch time, you will also start ranking on the search bar as well. So you need to find the most popular videos. So for that, you just need to go to the channel and click on the sort by and click on most popular. This channel is having only 2 videos, and no doubt it is the most popular, and about 20,000 subscribers of this channel. All of that subscribers has come from a single video, guys. Okay, so look at this, the potential is really huge. Look at this, it's really on the peak. That's the big point over here, that all of the channel are really pumping badly. Okay, so this is the ultimate tag, and this niche is really kind of a unseen niche. Basically not many of the guys are really targeting this niche. So basically this one can be a big thing over here, and you just need to start scaling it up by just providing the daily content. Literally you can promote any product. What I will suggest you, do not try to make a product, promote a product when you are starting out more than of $100. Okay, after you are having just about 5,000 10,000 subscribers, just start promoting the products of over $300, because on that time they are going to buy from you, they see you as their mentor. This is the big reason that you need to do. Otherwise you will not be able to make lots of money. Yeah, I always say that you should promote high ticket product of $300 $500 $1,000, but when you are just starting out, at least just for some days try to start with like $50, then keep on increasing it to $100 $200 $300 $500, and this way keep on scaling it up. Look at this guy, he has made over $200,000 every single month just with $2. He's just telling everyone, if you need help, just get into the membership for $2, and anybody can get that membership. Even if we are going to take like kind of a 3% guys are gonna to come, then also 100,000 guys are within his network, and he's really making a ton of money, guys. So this is the ultimate tactic. Just to start finding the popular videos and start making the same videos or even better, and with that time you will start getting lots and lots of views, subscribers, and all that stuff. So with that time you will be really building the channel authority, and you will be start getting tons and tons of views and subscribers as well. Okay, so if you want to know more tactics on how to grow a YouTube channel, just check out this training, because I have shared a lot of more tactics in this training as well, and I will see you in the next training.